What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And to all of my new viewers, supporters, subscribers, welcome, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. And to all of my returning supporters, subscribers, and viewers, welcome, guys. Thank you for your continued support. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, of course, I always start off with primer. Primer of the evening is going to be by Nars Cosmetics. This is the Power Grip Primer. Okay, and now that our primer is tacked, foundation I will be using, this is by Nars, and this is their light reflecting foundation. My shade is Macao. We're going to put a few pumps there. And as I'm doing so, you guys notice anything different? There's no blinds in the background. I am so excited. I'm starting to kind of explore my options as it pertains to where I'm filming and my background. So at the moment, I am kind of redoing my whole little background just to make it a little bit more relaxing for myself, especially moving into 2023. My content is going to be much more me. It's going to be much more me. So you guys stay tuned. Tons of tutorials, tons of makeup and beauty hauls, and even some vlogs. I'm really excited to continue on filming outside of just my little immediate area and actually take you guys like outside with me. So that should be really fun. And now I'm just going to apply concealer, Juvia's Place I Am Magic in shade number 9. And to blend in the concealer, as always, this is my Sephora Multipurpose Pro Airbrush Brush in number 56. I'm like, for real, out of all the time I film, I'm hearing so much outside noise right now. I hope you guys don't hear it, but if you do, I'm sorry. You're trying to mess up my vibe in my new little recording area. And then to set the concealer, Huda Beauty, this is their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Kunafa. This shade, to me, it's very much giving the same shade as like banana powder and benai or plantain in Beauty Bakery. And I'm just applying it using a damp beauty blender. I wonder if I can take this little net off. Like the little net in there, even like when we do all of that, that's like a bit of an inconvenience for me. that little netting, ugh. And then of course, Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Purpose Pressed Powder in the shade Chai. And we will apply that to pretty much set the entire base. Not too much, using a pointed powder brush from e.l.f. And then bronzer. So the bronzer I will be wearing, this one is by Nars Cosmetics. This is in the shade Daycation. I live for this one. This shade is absolutely everything to me. And I typically use a more controlled application. This time, not so much. Maybe again in the next tutorial, but I'm changing it up. And this is actually a bronzing brush by, I hate butchering names. This is Sonia Kashuk. I'll write it down there. And you can get this one, or at least I got this one from Target a while back. And before we begin our eye look, just a little bit of concealer. This is by Tarte. This is Shape Tape in the shade number 53S Deep Sand. Now for this eye look, the first tool I am going to be using, it is by Mented Cosmetics. This is one of their eyeshadow pen tools that y'all, I did a video on these. The blendability, the pigment, the stain it's giving. You can apply it using your finger, a brush, simply amazing. So we're going to apply this first. And I'm going to do it from, or apply it, shall I say, from my lid. And we're going to get a good amount down. So we have it on this eye, and now we're just going to do the same to this one. And now using a Morphe M433, I'm just going to just blend it out just a little bit. I don't want to lose the pigment or the richness of how deep the shade is. So I'm just kind of going along the outer perimeter and stippling it in so that there's like no harsh lines there. And this one is actually going to serve as a base. We're going to put another on top of this. And using, now this brush actually came in a Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Don't sleep on these brushes. I know for like the past, or at least the last two, shall I say, palettes, she has not included one. If you guys have one and it's just sitting still, these brushes are really, really good to use. So I'm going to use the shade end, and I'm using the Chocolate palette by Juvia's Place. And this is going to be the shade that we use. And I'm going to apply that on top of the Mented Cosmetics And for this one, there is no blending. There's no blending out, blending in. I'm literally just packing it on top. Now taking same brush, one brush, that's all we need for right now. And I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to use it as a diffuser. So we're going to go around the outer perimeter. Now this one you can blend out. Same thing to this eye. Now using a black eyeliner. This one is by Wet n Wild. I will be lining my lower lash line. Going back into the chocolate palette by Juvia's Place. Using, for this one you can use like a smudge brush. I'm just going to use the opposite end of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And I am going to apply this shade here. I'm going to put that on top of the black liner. Not so much, but enough. And for blush, Nars Cosmetics Savage, one of my absolute favorite blushes. And it's because it gives you the best of both. So this one, great blush. The shade, it's beautiful. Plus, if you don't really do highlight, but you're looking for, you know, something that has a tad bit of it in it, but not fully committed to it, this would be a good blush to have because it does have a tad bit of like a shimmer to it, but it's so subtle. And moving on to our lips. First, of course, liner, MAC Cosmetics. This is in the shade Chestnut. I'm actually going to take a brush and just kind of diffuse it just a little bit. And this brush is Morphe M224. And then the lipstick, this is by Huda Beauty. This is a soft matte lipstick in the shade Last Night. Now, if you wanted to go with more of a matte look for your lip, then you're done. But I'm going to apply on top MAC lip glass, and this is in the shade Spite. I feel like they're opening now. On these is so tight. By the time you get the product out, it's not really much on the wand. All right, guys, so voila. This is the final look. That is all I have for you all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed filming it. And as always, in the description box below will be a complete list of all products that were used to achieve this look. Feel free to like, share, comment. If you have not yet already subscribed, if you've made it this far, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you have already subscribed, thank you for your support. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that hopefully you are notified each and every time that there is a upload from me. And guys, as always, exercise self-care. It is not a privilege, but indeed a necessity. Until next time, guys, we shall chat again soon.